lot of questions, but he actually listened to my answers. I told him everything I felt all this time, and it was so liberating to finally find a person in real life who would listen to me. Eventually, he gave me a lot of tests, and after some time, he diagnosed me with chronic depression. My parents couldn't believe that at first, but I could see how worried they were, and it was a nice feeling. Like I wasn't crazy, and it wasn't all in my head. Now, I take antidepressants, and my depression will go away anytime soon. So I do feel a little bit better, but I still have a long way to go. I know that many of you feel the same, and many of you feel alone, and something is wrong with you. If you do, then try to seek help as fast as possible, and know that you are not alone. What are you struggling with? Please share your stories in the comments. Quite serious about it. I finished second at 100 meters in my age group at our state swimming championships. But to succeed in sports, you have to be in good shape, which also means getting enough sleep. Anyway, I finished swimming around 6, and then I took a bus to another part of town, where I volunteered at the local animal shelter. I learned about it 3 months later.
It's the song.
Like cats and dogs and babies in the shelter.
It's a consonant, a letter, and the
The moment I read about it, I
It's
knew
a consonant, a letter, and the alphabet. It's a consonant, a letter,
I
and the
get home around 8:30 and microwave the dinner my family has already had, and I sit down to do my homework. It takes about an hour and a half, and that's where you may say, okay, so you can go to sleep now to wake up comfortably in the morning. But there are a couple problems with this. First, you need to live like that. I mean, I'm so busy all day, but I also want to watch a movie or funny.
Mama, I told you. Look, downstairs, down little.
Oh.
See it or not? See? And down there. Green. G, it's like a mouth on it.
Can you make this equal 101?
And that's Numberjacks. That is the name on it. Look, see, that's the Numberjack. Look, see, that's the Numberjack there.
Brilliant takes complex concepts and breaks them down into bite-sized
Why are you doing this?
Now watch. Master subjects from the fundamentals to logic to algebra and beyond.
No, I want to do this. I want to do the ABCs one.
There's a course on Brilliant for you. Decided today, Brilliant Demo.
That's your rocking. Well, you did that. You did. I'm trying to start the list here. I was trying to tell you. Oh, that's really good. She is the consonant, a letter in the alphabet. She is the consonant, a letter in the alphabet. She is the consonant, a letter in the alphabet. She is the consonant, a letter in the alphabet. Good, 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 good. Girl, 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 gum, 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 green, 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 green. Yours is green, right? Good. Oh, oh, good, 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 good. What happened? Just got like good.
I saw a giraffe.
Giraffe, giraffe, giraffe. Jim, 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 Jim. Giant, 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 giant. Gentle, 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 gentle. Good, 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 good. Good, 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 good. In the air. In the air. We need to look this thing right. This in the air. In the air. I'm done.
Hey guys, how was the trash day?
He's the vowel, a letter in the alphabet. H, consonant, a letter in the alphabet. H is the consonant, a letter in the alphabet. H is the consonant, a letter in the alphabet. Help. Help. Hurt. Esther, you got that toy. Esther. You're like, Esther. No. No BTS.
Hey, BTS.
I'm gonna play BTS.
You see BTS.
Fish in the air. I'm gonna play BTS.
Want to play BTS and see?
Korean song. I'm done. It's